This is what we call last minute packing. Oh my gosh, the ISO was so high. So hot. It's so bright. And my bug. We're such a mess. It's good because the shower is in full view. No. So we're finally in our accommodation. First things first on the agenda, I want to turn the aircon on. So I'll show you what I'm currently unpacked. Prepared person I am. Shampoo, conditioner. Oh my god. Shampoo, conditioner, face wash, shave, some stuff there. Hair stuff, dry shampoo, hairspray, base, and lotion. So, me and Tara finally finished getting ready, and it's now 10 AM. We woke up 3 hours ago. It took us 3 hours to figure out what to wear. As you can see, exhibit 1, the damage. Hair and flower section. And she tied it up, but this was the whole drama. What? Oh. We're headed to Tiergarten Park.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing that.
Yeah,
right.
Definitely not. But we're hoping to find a breakfast spot on the way, right?
Yes, hopefully.
As you can see, in the far distance is Tiergarten. This Tiergarten thing. Victory. This is a monument that was put in place to commemorate the Prussian victory. Now we're looking for somewhere to eat because we're absolutely starving. The time is, insert time. Insert time here. And now we're on our way to the gate, which is down here. And Tara will show us the way. So come on. And we're back. We're here eating currywurst. We've done everything that we said that we were gonna do. Tara's just gonna insert all the clips right here. So now we're walking to this fucking gate that never seems to be coming closer to us.
It's getting further and further.
Isn't it?
Further and further.
She's at a thrift store in England. I got this. It's Val Christopher. And the shades are Ace and Tane. My teeth are
It's alive.
Hey! No, excuse me. I wanted to look like a local, so down below, got shoes. You got shoes?
I got shoes. Jacket bought from Berlin, Uniqlo.
No issues about this morning whatsoever. Look at the back fit.
It's perfect. And the scarf is none other than
Val Christopher. Love it. A fashion queen. The view.
It's actually spicy.
I just got up from Dunkin'. What makes it a currywurst? I don't taste any curry. Oh really? What's your verdict? Huh? It's good. And now we're back. You can tell that you're not filming because we want to film. We're filming when we remember. Because look, we're halfway done. with our chips.
We even went to Dunkin'.
We've already gone to Dunkin'. It's about 3 sites.
We have clips here and there. Don't worry. You will see what we got up to.
Where was the last time you were? I swear the last time you
Curry
spoke.
was.
It was happy back, but
We went to the memorial for the murdered Jew.
we went inside.
The information centre.
Yeah. From there we walked to the Mall of Berlin, and then from there
We went to Checkpoint Charlie. The kebab place we wanted to go to was closed. And now we just got rejected.
Yeah, it's a time ride.
From this place.
Now we're gonna go to the Spy Museum.
Well, hopefully they have tickets because it seems like
We
there's
need
loads
to
of
go
schools
before
everywhere.
those fucking kids
Yeah,
come.
you're right. Okay. It says just been kicked off of my Morse code game by these people. Absolutely fuming. Kicked off? Didn't even get to write my name in Morse code yet.
Was that the most fun?
Yeah. Cheek of it. Anyway, don't recommend this place. Sunrise. Let me try the chips. It looks like bread. Whoa. That looks so nice. What do you think about that? Tiramisu. I'm having a gelato free.
I'm having a break.
Yeah. I can't capture. There she goes. Everything is so slow. Sunny Berlin.
Still seems slow.
I think we've got to take a picture. This is sticky rice with pork. They love that.
In the Philippines.
Do they? But ours is like wrapped in a leaf. Oh.
Well,
Now we've gone for a pork belly sandwich, cucumber, salad, and it's like a tomato sauce, like a grilled sauce with tomato and chili and something. But he said it's not too spicy.
okay, first bite. Yummers.
Smell it.
On the mouth of my drink.
Disrespect.
You.
Ordering it.
just went for food at Market Hao Nun. Nice Chinese food, pizza, pastry, and water and burger. Pork belly burger. Your favorite room when you go outside to take a breather. Are you serious? Currently at Nerfa to eat momos. Okay. So we're currently Anisha's arrived. We just found her and we were like, right, you can come with us, I suppose. And now we're waiting for our food being prepared there. Here's the actual owner of this camera. We're just waiting for our food and we'll insert clips right here, right now. It's ready. But there's nothing new. If they try. Hurry. Look at the mountain of. Look at that rice. I know. Anisha was looking for some more plates, so we're gonna oh my god, that wasabi is so strong. Was it a lot? Yeah. Anyway, we can sit here. Check it out. She's so dark. Hello. Stay safe. Update when we arrive. Okay. We're on our way to Platz. Okay, we've made it to the top of the TV tower, and this is our view. So good. Prepare for it. Sorry, this one's a spicy one. This one is spicy. Thank you. Oh my god. Choice of having one. Yeah. Let's see. I think that's smell like?
I might have to shower tonight. My hair
I'm delirious from how full I am. Milk spread.
I've never seen that.
As you can see, we're all delirious after the food we've just eaten.